A hearty welcome to Math Simplified by HM. We are mastering the median for group data today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your well-wishers and subscribe with the bell icon turned on to stay updated. Grab your notebook, get ready to pause and let us get started. The median for grouped frequency distribution. Now, first question, what is the median? And we have seen previously it is the perfect center of a arranged data in ascending order. It divides the array of numbers or data into two equal parts. The number of squares below and above the median is perfectly equal. Now, as today's topic is finding median for group data, we will see it step by step. Group data, when data is grouped into classes, finding the exact center gets tricky. First, the classes must be in continuous. That is the continuity rule. If the given classes are not continuous, we must first make them continuous. For example, 6, 10, 11, 15, these classes are not in continuous. We will make them continuous by subtracting 0.5 from lower limit of class and adding 0.5 to upper limit of class. Thus, here we get the classes at 5.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 15.5. First, we will find the median class. That means where is the center hiding? We look at the total frequency n, then divide the sum of all frequency by 2. Next, locate the class. Find the class whose cumulative frequency Cf is greater than and nearest to n upon 2. This is your median class. Now, the formula to find the exact median is median is equal to L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus Cf whole upon F into H. Now we will decode the math here. Let us break down the variables. L, lower class limit of the median class. N, sum of all frequencies. H, class interval of the median class. F, frequency of the median class. Cf, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So, the master key for group data's median is L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus Cf whole upon F bracket complete into H. To use this formula perfectly, first make the classes continuous. Then find lower class limit of the median class. Next, find n upon 2. Then find Cf, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Next, find the frequency of the median class. Last, find H, class interval of the median class. Plug in all these values in the formula, solve to find the median for grouped data. Fantastic job mastering group data today. Take this powerful thought with you. Just as the median finds the perfect center and divides the data equally, find the perfect balance between your hard work and rest to achieve ultimate success. Keep practicing this daily balance. If you have any queries or feedback for improvement, let me know in the comments. Please like, share this video with your colleagues and friends and subscribe with the bell icon turned on. Enjoy a great time. Thanks all of you for great attention and see you next time.